Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to read and interpret the new Instagram Insights. So you're probably aware that Instagram has recently updated its algorithm, and together with releasing Reels and other new cool features for businesses, they've also updated the Insights page. If you're struggling with understanding this new Instagram Insights, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make the best use of the new Instagram Insights. Let's go! Let's start by explaining what Instagram Insights actually are. Instagram Insights are a free feature available for business and creator accounts that allows anyone to learn more about their followers and their content performance. If applicable, you can also see promotion insights and you can measure the efficiency of your marketing campaigns. So if you're not sure how to use Instagram Insights, don't worry, I'm going to go through the main metrics that you should be tracking. And make sure you stay tuned until the end of this video because I'm going to share an important template that you can use and copy and create Instagram report for your clients or for yourself. So when you open the Instagram app and you tap on the Insights, you're going to see a few types of analytics. In the first section, you're going to see an overview of your account. The overview, it's going to show you 3 of the most important Instagram metrics. These are reach, interactions, and followers growth. These 3 metrics are actually used to tell you whether an account has been growing or you're not doing the best of your Instagram strategy. So these statistics are important because they are going to tell you, and you will be able to use them to predict your growth. So first, let's look at the reach. Reach tells you basically the number of different Instagram accounts that have come to visit your profile. If you see an increase in your reach, it means that your content has been trending. This is a good thing because getting more people to visit your profile means that you are getting more potential clients and leads. The second statistic is interactions. So interaction basically are linked with engagement. So a high number of interaction is going to signal that your engagement rate has been growing and it's improving over time. So interactions on Instagram are calculated by looking at likes, comments, shares, and saves. The third factor is followers growth. Instagram shows you how many new followers you have gained or lost compared to the previous week. Followers growth is an important metric that shows you that your strategy is being successful. So especially if you are running promotions or any specific campaigns that you are targeting people and you expect more followers, then you can look at followers growth. Now the next section below overview is Instagram shows you some important insights regarding to your content. Now you can see a breakdown of not only your feed and stories, but also IGTV metrics as well as promotions. So if you're running promotions, you're going to be able to access your promotion stats from here. So if you want to see which are your most popular content, you can click on feed and then you'll be able to select a metric based on which you want to rank your content. So for example, if you're interested in reach, and then you can see your insights up to 2 years back. The same thing goes for stories, but the difference is stories insights are only valid up to 14 days. So you can check what are your top stories by reach. And also you can see how many people have actually visited your profile based on your story. So the next piece of content is Instagram TV. So IGTV, it's a fairly new feature, and I feel that it's really underrated at the moment. So by adding IGTV metrics into the insights, I feel that Instagram is trying to let you know more about how to optimize your IGTV for more growth. So same like any feed post, you're able to rank your top IGTV based on a list of metrics, and the insights are going back to 2 years time. And finally, promotions. So this insight is something that has been added recently and it's a new thing. So if you're a business, if you have been running promotions, you're going to love this one, because from here you can see each of your promotions and performance. So this information will help you to plan future ad campaigns. As a social media marketer, I love this data and all the opportunities that it creates for me to understand better how my clients' content is performing, as well as you can help me to find ways to improve their performance. What do I do with this data? So checking your insights is important. For me, I check it on a weekly basis as well as on a monthly basis. So at the end of each month, I'm going to create a report for each of my clients so they can have a better view and understanding of their content performance. And so in the next section, I'm going to show you exactly the template that I use and how I structure an Instagram performance report. I use a simple cover page where I just edit the company name and my credentials. Next, in the introduction, I like to highlight the intended goals, the overall strategy, and which metrics we are going to track for the month. This is very important because the goals that you have for Instagram marketing are going to determine the metrics that you are using. Next, I like to include a performance snapshot, which is a summary slide of the top 3 metrics and together with their target. This will help my client by giving them a clearer idea of what to expect in this report. The data tracking and analytics is probably the most important slide in this entire presentation. This is a comparison between the current month and the previous month based on the top metrics that we have decided in our introduction. Here, for example, you can track the number of posts, number of followers gained or lost in this period, total likes, total comments, bio link clicks, story views, and even engagement rate. In the next slide, I like to include an overview of the top 3 performing posts in the month. So here I like to insert an image, maybe a caption, and then I add a link where people can click and directly go to that post. I also like to include other notable results within this period, which may not directly be related to your main goal. Finally, I like to include future strategies and actions. In this section, I'm actually writing a bit more information about what has worked this month, what didn't work as well as we planned, and how we can adjust our strategy in the future. For example, maybe in the following month you want to focus more on carousel posts because that's what you identify that performed best in the previous month. Or you can also decide to increase posting frequency from 1 post a day to 2 posts a day, or you can even go ahead and experiment with new types of content or different ways to engage with your customers. If you like this template, you can download it from the link under my description and you can customize it and use it for yourself or for your clients. So thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you have any questions that you want me to answer regarding Instagram insights or performance analysis, and hope to see you in my next video where I'm going to share more about free Instagram analytics tools that you can measure your performance.